Hi everybody, welcome to ePrime for this evening. I'm Daedran. The flossing king Flippa Mafia on drug charges in the US again. Only 4 years after his release from prison, Andrew Kendrick Davis, more popularly known as Flippa Muggler or Flippa Mafia, is facing serious drug trafficking allegations in the United States. According to sources, federal prosecutors in New Jersey have charged Davis alongside Damian Jones, Clifford Brown, and James McBride in a drug conspiracy case involving methamphetamine, fentanyl, and cocaine. The men are accused of conspiring to possess and distribute at least 500 grams of methamphetamine, at least 400 grams of fentanyl, and at least 5 kilograms of cocaine between August 2025 and May 2026. Investigators said Davis became linked to the alleged drug trafficking operation on August 18 in 2025, when surveillance cameras allegedly captured him dropping off a heavy bag at Jones's residence and leaving approximately 2 minutes later carrying an empty bag. The Demia DJ previously served several years in prison following his 2016 conviction in a major U.S. drug trafficking and money laundering investigation known as Operation Next Day Air. Now on the international scene, Queen Latifah joins The Voice for its 30th season as a coach. The Grammy-winning singer and actress is joining fellow coaches Adam Levine, Kelly Clarkson, and country singer Riley Green. News of Latifah's addition comes days after NBC announced Clarkson will return next season. Clarkson was the first winner of American Idol, has coached 10 seasons of The Voice. The 30th season premieres this fall. Michael Jackson and Madonna back on the Billboard Hot 100. The king of pop is back on the charts with 4 of his classics, sparked by the new hit biopic Michael, and Madonna returns with her new collaboration with Sabrina Carpenter, Bring Your Love. Jackson's Billie Jean bounced 38 to 17 on the chart, followed by 3 re-entries of his, Human Nature at 29, Beat It at 32, and Don't Stop Till You Get Enough at 42. Billie Jean and Beat It hit number 1 in 1983. Human Nature reached number 7 that year, and Don't Stop Till You Get Enough spent a week at number 1 in 1979, becoming the second of his 13 solo leaders. Meanwhile, Madonna returns to the Hot 100 at number 74 with Bring Your Love. And that's it for ePrime this evening. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.